Across the sector, they rise, enormous and silent, the closing survivors of an age we slightly understand. From the golden sands of Egypt to the jungles of Indonesia, from the plains of Sudan to the hidden valleys of China and Mexico, gigantic triangles of stone pierced the earth like historic beacons. Civilizations separated via oceans and centuries all selected the identical shape, as if answering a name no person recalls hearing. We name them pyramids, however no person without a doubt is aware of why they exist. Some say it was accident. Others believe they are evidence of a sample older than records itself, one which connects every culture on Earth. The Great Pyramid of Giza sits nearly flawlessly aligned to genuine north, an accuracy so specific it seems past what historical tools have to have allowed. The pyramids of Teotihuacan line up with the growing of the Pleiades, constructed with astronomical precision. In Peru, Corral step pyramids follow the route of the sun, older than Egypt and built with the aid of a folks who left at the back of no written document. And in China's Shanxi province, complete landscapes are said to hide masses of pyramids disguised as forested hills, their life quietly neglected from textbooks. Everywhere we appearance, the same geometry repeats, the same orientation, the identical impossible accuracy, and nonetheless the same unanswered question. Why did each ancient tradition build the same form with the identical precision for reasons we nevertheless do not recognize? Egypt calls them tombs, yet not an unmarried pharaoh was ever determined inside the Great Pyramid. In China, they are saying they're royal mausoleums buried below rivers of mercury and sealed for all time. In Mesoamerica, they're cosmic temples constructed to mirror the heavens. But under the myths and rituals lies a deeper truth. The arithmetic are same, the proportions actual, as though each civilization inherited the equal blueprint from somewhere or someone they may in no way call. When researchers mapped the arena's pyramids, the outcomes have been surprising. The angles, base ratios, or even their international positions observed patterns too precise to be random. It's as if the whole planet turned into as soon as part of a single architectural code, a language written not in words, however in geometry. And that raises a query we still cannot answer: who taught humanity the way to construct the not possible? Every historic subculture tells the identical tale, sensible teachers who appeared after an incredible disaster, bringing astronomy, agriculture, and the secrets and techniques of the stars. The Egyptians known as him Thoth. The Mayans named him Kukulkan. The Andean people knew him as Viracocha. Different names, same legend, beings of information who got here from nowhere and disappeared just as mysteriously.